Hey, what's up, everybody? Tactical Dad from the Pacific Northwest over here, and we're here at the Cabelas at Lacey, Washington. From the sounds of it, there might be an actual shortage coming about soon. So, um, let's take a look and see how it looks over here as far as status in Lacey, Washington. Cabelas. From what I heard, is the Lake City ammo. It's been shut down and no civilian sales. So from what I hear, it's the 5.56 and 2.23 that's going to be harder to find. So let's see if it's true or not outside in the Pacific Northwest. Still have a good selection of hunting clothing. Ammo section on the second floor. Let's take a look. We'll go straight to the rifle ammunition section. Oh, there's a lot of holes on this side. This looks like yeah, a lot of holes. I mean, there's some to be had. It's a 9mm. There's a few 9mm, but yeah, as you can tell, some holes appearing. And this side would be look like 38 specials, 30-30s, 380s. Oh shit, 357. I'm gonna have to get me some of these right here. These were hard to find last time. You have a bulk, 380. 169. For you greenies folks, you guys like it green and clean. Here's an expensive 380. Have two bulk boxes if you like your 40 Smith & Wesson. Here you go, come get it. There's 2 more left. Oh, you got some few selection of the 40 Smith & Wesson buckets. You want bulk? Come and get this now. One more 250 pack. .45 auto section, pretty small section. let's go check out if there's 223s and 556 are really going on. Hi, girly. Oh yeah, 6.5 freaks out here. $26.99. Federal 45. $41.99. Match. Precision hunter. Match. Just more hunting rounds. Well, I haven't seen 223 or 556 yet. I have a weird feeling maybe they're out. These are all shotgun shells right here. Sorry guys if I'm not gonna go close into shotgun shells. But if you need it, it's here now. That's usually the last to go. But yeah. I don't think I see any 223 or 556 yet. Oh, here it is. It's on this side. Yeah, there it is. A lot of holes. So you have some Winchester bulk packs. $99.99. FMJs, Frontier, green tips. Some green tips available. $11.99. Couple bulk packs, 223, $249. And just little scraps of 223 rounds. That's it. That's it, buddies. I'm sure you heard it from other people, but yeah, looks pretty short on 223 rounds and 556. Yep, that's it. Oh, there's my dog Luna. Alright guys, if you guys haven't gotten your 556 or 223, there's still some available. I suggest you get it because in the next month to 6 months, it will probably be hard to find. Or if you find it, it'll be a higher price. Tactical Cool Dad from the Pacific Northwest out.